This week at Arizona Hardwood Floor Supply, we are having fun in our Scottsdale Arizona showroom with our unfinished engineered Inova Plank in Rubio Monocoat. The existing floor was well overdue for a remodel, and we wanted to show off our new Inova Plank collection. Northern grown American white oak is delivered unfinished and milled for the Arizona climate. What does this mean for you? It means you get a hardwood floor milled to specific moisture content that works in Arizona, installed by a company that lives in Arizona. After we finished installing the 7-inch Inova Plank, we had to router out a custom pattern so we could show off some of the different color options from Rubio Monocoat. We thought our logo would work great. Enjoy the music while we get to work. We then sanded the white oak using a 120 grit paper to prepare it for a Rubio Monocoat pre-treatment process called Fuming. Fuming creates a natural aging process that will turn the white oak a sort of gray tone. It's an individual reaction to the tannins in the hardwood. Once the floor is fumed, it needs to sit up to 36 hours to allow the reaction to fully occur. Then we neutralize it with a damp cloth and finish the hardwood floor with your choice of Rubio Monocoat colors. Here, for the majority of this floor, we chose Rubio Monocoat Pure with 2C. Then with the logo, we used a combination of natural with 2C, emerald with 2C, and charcoal with 2C. Color options and treatments are virtually endless with Rubio Monocoat. Rubio Monocoat is a unique zero VOC finish for hardwoods that colorizes and protects hardwood in a one-step safe application. Over 40 colors are available for your selection. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoyed the process. To learn more, call us at 623-742-9663 or visit us online at azwood.com.